breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Hello everyone, guys, you see the video that I just showed now? That is the shop where you can get a placemat or a straw. Because the video that I made the other time, a lot of comments on where to get a straw. So this is the shop where you can get a straw, and a shop where they sell home wares like water decors, flowers, Christians, or throws. So that is the shop you can get a straw, and you can see the prices are very affordable to get one. So, and if you want to like manipulate it to make your wedding fascinator, maybe you get invited, this is really affordable and is very like good price, and so on and so on. And so that is it. So when you are looking for a straw, so that is the kind of shop. If you have somewhere close to you that sells homewares like as I said before, wall decors, throws, bed sheets or bed sheets, pillows. So those are the kind of shop you can get there straw. I hope I've explained myself. See you. Bye.